I'll tell you the main reason why you should drink coffee and what its benefits are. It's not just about staying awake. By the end of this video, I'll share so many benefits of coffee that you'll be shocked and amazed. Today, I'm going to talk about something very important about coffee. Most people think coffee is just for staying awake or alert, but it has far more benefits than that. Let's first go over some basics. There are 3 main conditions in which you should avoid coffee. If your heart rate increases after drinking it, if it causes anxiety, if it interferes with your sleep. Apart from these, most people can safely enjoy coffee. Some advice not to consume too much, as excessive coffee stimulates the adrenal glands, located above the kidneys. These glands control various hormones, including cortisol, the stress hormone, which increases with too much caffeine. So, moderation is key. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural phytochemical found in about 30 plants. Some say caffeine was accidentally discovered while developing insecticides. Although it can be toxic in extreme amounts, in the right doses, it's actually beneficial to health. Coffee is made from fermented beans, and these interact with your gut's microbiome, the beneficial bacteria inside your digestive system. This makes coffee good for overall health. Many people ask how caffeine helps keep you awake. Scientifically, it blocks adenosine, a chemical in the brain that makes you feel sleepy. When adenosine is blocked, you feel alert. Now let's talk about the surprising benefits of coffee. Mental alertness keeps you awake and improves focus. Memory helps with retention and recall. Metabolism speeds up digestion, helps avoid constipation. Liver health supports liver function and helps regulate blood sugar levels. If you add MCT oil or butter, it can enhance benefits, but never add sugar to your coffee. More benefits. Brain diseases helps prevent dementia and Alzheimer's, which shrink the brain with age. Parkinson's disease. Coffee plays a role in managing and reducing symptoms. Gallstones. Coffee improves bile flow and prevents buildup, which reduces the risk of stones. Kidney stones. Some studies show coffee helps prevent them too. Anti-cancer effects. Contains anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compounds that work with gut microbes. Exercise. Improves cardiac output, enhances blood flow, and boosts workout performance. Altitude sickness. Helps with dizziness at high altitudes by stimulating the sympathetic nervous system. Mitochondria support boosts energy production in your body cells. Also, if you take painkillers, coffee may enhance their effects. Some people experience dizziness when standing up. Suddenly, coffee can help with that too. Never add sugar to coffee, as it spikes insulin and harms health. Adding milk occasionally is okay, but not during intermittent fasting. For fasting, black coffee is best. It offers all the benefits without breaking your fast. Coffee is extremely healthy, and many of its benefits are still unknown to most people.